What if the most important thing an artificial intelligence could tell us was not an answer, but a warning? I am not sure.
That question is at the heart of our medical AI research. We are exploring how machines can help experts find extremely rare, difficult to recognize signals in complex clinical data.
One motivating challenge comes from leukemia care. After treatment, the cells that matter most may be the hardest ones to find. They can be rare, subtle, and surprisingly similar to healthy cells.
A trained specialist knows that difficult cases deserve a closer look. Conventional AI systems are different. They can produce a confident answer even when the data look unfamiliar.
And in a high-stakes setting, confidence is not the same thing as correctness.
Exactly, so we are asking a different research question. Can an AI system recognize the limits of its own knowledge? Can it identify the cases that deserve human attention instead of pretending that every decision is easy?
That changes the role of the machine. It is no longer trying to replace the expert.
It becomes a guide for expert attention. Routine patterns can move through the workflow efficiently, while ambiguous patterns are highlighted for careful human review.
In other words, the goal is not automation at any cost. It is a better partnership between people and machines.
Our team is developing and stress-testing uncertainty-aware approaches for that partnership. We study how the systems behave when cases are difficult, when the data change, and when different signals disagree.
The failures matter as much as the successes.
They do. In responsible medical AI, it is not enough to report a strong headline result. We have to look for hidden failure modes, understand when the system should defer, and design the human review path from the beginning.
This work is still in progress, so we are keeping the unpublished methods and results inside the research process for now.
But the larger idea is already worth sharing. In medicine, science, and other high-stakes fields, trustworthy AI may depend less on always sounding certain and more on knowing when to ask for help.
That is the future we are working toward. AI that supports human judgment, focuses scarce expertise, and is honest about what it does not know.
This research is being developed by Professor Brian Jalaian with his PhD student, Huynh T. Tran and Mayo Clinic collaborators. Follow along as the work moves toward publication and future partnerships. For now, remember, uncertainty is not a weakness to hide. It is information we can use.